Here I have CAT S42, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display section, and here you have this option night light. You can switch it here, you can change its intensity here also. You can set up a schedule for this mode. For example, you can set up your custom time, or you just can set it from sunset to sunrise, and that's all the options. And you can also switch night mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.